students, class 9, chapter 8, statistics. Let's see the arithmetic mean of raw data. Here the raw data means, for example, let me take it as Tamil, English, Maths, Science and Social Science, right? So Tamil you have get 50 marks, English you have get 65 marks, Maths you have get 70 marks, Science you have get 70 marks and Social Science you have get 84 marks. See, these data are called the raw data, particular subject that mark. Now we want to find the arithmetic mean, or simply we can say it is a mean. The mean or arithmetic should be denoted in that form of x bar. We say it is a x bar. X bar means mean. Here we want to find the average. How we are going to find the average means adding all the marks divided by number of subject, that is the average. So here the mean also the same concept, the average only. So sum of all observation divided by number of observation. See, sum of all the observation means you have to add all the 5 subjects mark. Number of observations means we have 5 subjects, so divide by 5. It should be right in that form of, generally we write in that summation. This symbol is called summation x. Summation x means sum of all the terms divided by n is the mean for raw data formula. So next we see the arithmetic mean for ungrouped frequency distribution. Ungrouped frequency distribution. Here ungrouped we also the same. Here 35 to 50 marks by 5 students. 50 to 70 students for 70 marks. 10 students. This is mark. This is students. And 70 to 90 is 7 students, and 90 to 100 is 8 students. The mark in between 35 to 50 and then students is 5, 10, 7, 8 like this. This particular data is called a ungrouped but frequency distribution. 35 to 50, how many frequency we have? 5. So another example, the height of the students and then number of students. The height is 142, 5 students. The height is 143, 3 students. 141, 10 students. 140, that is 5 students. This height is particularly 5 students height. The frequency of 142 is 5 students. The frequency of 143 is 3 students. The frequency of 141 is 10 students. The frequency of 140 is 5 students. So the students is calculated as a frequency here. Now here we are finding the arithmetic mean for ungrouped frequency distribution. Arithmetic means always we have using the notation as x bar, that is mean or arithmetic mean or average, we say it is equal to. Here also the same formula, sum of all observation divided by number of observation, but here we have the term height as x and then frequency as f. So here we have to use that summation fx divided by number of observation, only in the frequency, the number of frequency, that is summation f. So this is the formula to find the frequency of ungrouped distribution, right? Where raw data means we have using summation x only. Here we have that frequency. So frequency means you have to add that f into x. Summation of f only we have to add. This is called the summation of f is equal to sum of this value is 10 plus 10, 5 plus 5, 10, 20, 23. So the frequency distribution is 23. That is summation f. So this is the method, this is the formula to find the arithmetic mean for ungrouped frequency distribution. Here we have, this is the direct method, we say it is a direct method, and also we have that assumed mean method. Let's see the assumed mean method. Here assumed mean method, assume means we are assuming something, right? The students can get more than 50, or the students can getting more than 70, like this. We are assuming 50 marks or 70 marks. That the assumed mean method, we are using that A as assumed mean method, and here the deviation has differ. Let's see the assumed mean method for arithmetic mean x bar is equal to A plus assumed mean value plus assumed mean value we are deciding, right? The students can get 50 marks, so that 50 is the assumed value, or more than 90. So 90 is the assumed value, so that is the A, and here summation f d divided by summation f. Instead of x, we are using the deviation where d is equal to x minus a, the actual x given value minus our assumed value. Here d is equal to x minus a is the deviation, and arithmetic mean x bar is equal to a plus summation fd divided by summation f is the assumed mean method formula. Thank you, students.